The hydraulic press is a machine that uses fluid pressure to generate force and perform various industrial processes. It was invented by Joseph Bramah in 1795 and has had a profound impact on the manufacturing industry, leading to increased efficiency, precision, and output. The hydraulic press works by applying force through a liquid, typically oil, which is transmitted through a series of pipes and cylinders to a piston that generates the force. This force can be used for various purposes, such as compressing, bending, punching, or stamping materials. Hydraulic presses are used in a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, and manufacturing. The hydraulic press has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by allowing for the production of complex parts with high precision and consistency. It has also allowed for the development of new technologies and materials, such as carbon fiber composites, that would not have been possible without the high force and precision of the hydraulic press. In terms of improving the hydraulic press, one area of focus is in reducing its energy consumption and environmental impact. The high force and power requirements of the hydraulic press can make it a significant consumer of energy, and hydraulic fluid can also be a source of pollution if not handled properly. There are ongoing efforts to improve the efficiency of hydraulic systems and to develop alternative technologies, such as electric or pneumatic systems, that can reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Another area of improvement is in increasing the safety and reliability of hydraulic presses. Hydraulic systems can be dangerous if not maintained properly or if there is a malfunction, leading to potential injury or damage to equipment. Improving safety features and developing better monitoring and control systems can help mitigate these risks and make hydraulic presses safer and more reliable.